Sup?
Fucking pussy
Zo.
is crazy.
Oh shit. See, that's why I don't fuck with cats. Meow my ass. Damn.
It's hard to recall, kitty. Oh, come on, kitty.
Stop.
I got money in the bank. Shorty, what you think?
Damn. Straight. Oh. Oh. What?
It needs to be real black to do that.
So just like this now, I'm just getting out one girl. Get out of my area. Oh my god, it's Oh,
Please.
Takes it and run off. Huh?
Uh-oh, what happened?
Straight savage. Oh, it's in slow motion. Oh. Damn. You see the eyes?
Come on, Bo. It's okay. Come on down past the kitty. Come on. Come on, Bo. Come on. You can get past that kitty. Come on, boy. Come on, Bo.
He's like, fuck that. Oh. Damn. Oh shit.
Jasmine.
I was creepy the fuck. Yee. Oh. What the fuck? Huh? What are those? Those look really good. Are those cat?
Ender, what?
Oh yeah, cheers.
You know John went into Beale's yesterday, he's going to get some samples.
The two piece.
Sounds cool.
What are you doing?
I decided to get rid of my lovely cat. He loves to play. I think he's teething. Ow! Oh! Stop it!
Teeth in my ass.
He's very loving.
Loving my
Kind? I'm saying nice things about you. Go away.
loving my ass. Oh shit. Oh shit. Really? Really? TP costs a lot of fucking money.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and
Stop. You fucking asshole. Get off. God damn you, cat.
Oh, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Get.
There we go.
Get.
Look, this is not right. This is not right.
I've never seen him do that.
Get.
Are you scared of him?
I'm scared to move when he attacks.
Get.
Ah! See, he bit.
He bit. Move. I would've moved.
Is that normal?
Yeah. So no percent.
Oh, see, he's biting. He really is biting. He's biting my scalp right now. I am serious. I'm serious. His teeth are in my scalp.
That's disgusting.
Come on, Fenway, show him how it's done.
Are you fucking serious?
Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, Bo. Come on, Bo. Come on.
Damn.
Fish.
What was the point of that? Okay. No.
No.
It's like it's like the movie Cats and Dogs. Oh, I seen this, I think. Damn, that's a lot of fucking snow. The dog gave him a flinch. Was the cat playing hide and seek? What? Speak about hide and seek. I love that shit. I love that.
5 potato, 6 potato, 7 potato more.
He's like, fuck this game. I seen this. Look, can I get some camera time? Thank you. Yo, their eyes are so fucking weird.
Хочешь меня?
What?
А? Хочешь?
I love that. That cat is cute. Oh, damn.
Claw into my chair to get up there.
Knock that shit right out. No, you want to. Look at it's right there. Hey, just. No, the other way. Yeah, there you go. Fucking dickhead.
Oh no, I'm not sure if it's worth it for the video. So.
Damn. What the fuck? Man, look. I like cats. But I would say I don't have anything against cats, because that's a lie after what I just seen. But I like cats, you know. I don't think I would own a cat of my own, but I do like cats. Like, I will go over and I'll go over to, if somebody else had a cat, I will go over to that person's house and I would keep my distance, but I would acknowledge to the cat that I am here. I have no weapons on me, you know. I did no time in jail, you know. I never killed nobody. I never did anybody wrong, right? I like cats. I love cats. I would just acknowledge to the cat that I mean no harm. I mean no harm. Okay? I come at you freewheeling, nothing in my pockets. Don't scratch me. Don't fucking bite me. Okay? Because I will fuck your shit up. But yeah, I think I like dogs more than cats. I never owned a cat per se, but I've had my fair share of you know, my interactions with cats. And the cats that I've interacted with, they've been okay. They've been good. They've been home trained. That's what they've been. That's what they have been, home trained. Every single cat that I have ever encountered, they have been home trained or very well trained. But I just like dogs. So if you have, what do you like? Do you like cats? Do you like dogs? Or do you like both? Now, when I was watching this this video, it instantly reminded me of Cats and Dogs, that movie. I don't know if you all ever have. I don't know if anybody has ever seen it, but if you haven't, I highly suggest you check it out. That shit is fucking hilarious. Okay. Like, oh my god, I have seen that movie so many fucking times. But when I was one video out of this one video out of this compilation stood out to me, and I want to see if I can go to it.
No. Get it off. No.
That cat is like, bitch, I'ma do it. I'ma do it, and I did it. Do something about it. Fuck, man. Fuck. Cats are straight fucking savages. I don't care what you say. Okay? Oh, that's another thing. This is something I've been trying to figure out for years. Especially after seeing the movie Cats and Dogs. Are cats smarter than dogs? Or is that just something that people just made up? Are they really smarter than dogs? Like, I'm being dead ass serious. Or, you know, is that just something made up? But from what I don't know. They may be equally smart. Or dogs may be smarter than cats. Or cat, I don't know. But if it's been scientifically proven, please let me know that in the comment section below. But as always, keep it cool, keep it classy, and I love you. Stay happy, my family. Boom. I don't know why I just did all them hand signs. Peace.